What if I told you that there's a form of meditation that will benefit you even if you fall asleep while practicing it? Well, there is. And in this course, you'll learn how to do it. It's called Integrative Restoration, or iRest for short. Hi, I'm Molly Birkholm, and I've been teaching iRest for more than a decade. During that time, I've worked with veterans suffering from PTSD, human trafficking survivors, and thousands of people who are coping with everyday challenges like insomnia, anxiety, and chronic pain. The science is intriguing, but in this course, you don't just learn about iRest, you'll also get to practice it as well. I'll guide you through a series of 30-minute meditation sessions, and you'll learn how to carry your practice into real-life situations. iRest is short for Integrative Restoration, which is based on a 2,000-year-old practice called Yoga Nidra. It's a guided meditation that takes you on a journey through experiencing your physical body, your breath, your feelings, emotions, and beliefs, and then into deep states of rest, stillness, and perhaps relaxation. No matter who you are or what you do for a living, iRest Yoga Nidra is one of the most important tools you can employ to maintain physical and mental well-being.
iRest, Integrative Restoration Yoga Nidra for deep relaxation, taught by instructor Molly Birkholm. Order it now from the Great Courses.